Junta, building better Africa.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Indeed, it is Blantyre City Southeast. Madam Speaker, commenting on the budget, first of all, I wanted to thank the Minister for presenting his last budget. Madam Speaker, the budget that we have been presented with does not speak to the current situation that the country is going through. Madam Speaker, looking at the state of our country and the economy, one would expect government to be saving or putting in place cost-saving measures, which I'm failing to see in this budget. As I speak, our government is almost broke. It's a fact. Shortage of food in the country, shortage of medicine in our hospitals, high prices of essential commodities that we need day in, day out. We can't even fix our own roads. I've seen for the first time we are patching our potholes with doti. Very embarrassing. I don't know where government is taking those ideas from. We have forex problems. And as I said, this is the time that we should be saving as a country, so that whatever we save should go towards making our people's lives better. But now, Speaker, I have two issues. I wanted the Minister of Finance to take note. For the past 4 years, Madam Speaker, government has been collecting 15,000 kwachas from our smallholder farmers. If you total up for the last 4 years alone, it is over 1 trillion kwacha. I wanted to know from the Minister of Finance where this money is going, because it is not showing anywhere. It is a farmer's contribution. Before they are given fertilizer, they contribute 15,000 kwacha per bag, and also the ones that get goats, they do make a contribution. We just wanted to know, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, where is this money going? Because this should have been a startup for us. It's in cash. We just want to know where this money is going. Madam Speaker, secondly, I'm disturbed with two votes. I have vote for the OPC, which is 12 billion. State House, 67.3 billion. Madam Speaker, 67.3 billion translates to 5,608,333 per month. Madam Speaker, it also translates to 186,944,444 kwacha per day. If you do the maths, Madam Speaker, State House is taking 42,062,693 kwacha taxpayers' money per hour. I will repeat, 42,062,693 kwacha per hour. Madam Speaker, it also translates to 702,000 kwacha per second. You can do your maths. It's in front of you. 702,000 Malawi kwacha as your clock ticks. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Every second, Madam Speaker, 702,000 kwacha taxpayers' money is being eaten by State House. Madam Speaker, I have just 2 questions. Is our country that rich? No. Do we have that money that we can give to our president? 702,000 per second? 67 billion kwacha, Madam Speaker? I think we need to answer that question as leaders. Is our country rich enough to sustain this? I thought as leadership, they should have taken lead in showing the people of Malawi that yes, we are feeling the pinch with you. We are feeling the pain with you. As your president, as I've always said, as a servant leadership, I will reduce my... We did it in DPP, Madam Speaker. Ministers were getting half salaries. None of them there can volunteer to even get his salary deducted. They are busy chewing people, taxpayers' money, but they cannot plan austerity measures, Madam Speaker. My last question, Madam Speaker.
Minister of Higher Education, you are rising on a point of order. Honourable Member for Blantyre City South, you have a point of order on the floor.
Yeah, thank you very much. I would like to find out if it's in order for the Speaker who's just resumed his seat to delve into explanations that say they want explanations on money when, number one, when this budget was being delivered, it was made very clear that on the night that Dr. Chakwera was assuming power, the side of the very person speaking transferred money out of this country. They have never explained where this money is. I think it's they don't have the moral authority until they explain where they took that money. Let's be serious. This is taxpayers' money. The question is, let us know. You borrowed money from Afrexim Bank, DPP, and you said you are going to fix Kia, Kamuzu International Airport. Dr. Chakwera has come in and cleaned up the mess you left. Now you are saying you want explanations. So before he can speak, can they tell us where the money that was moved during when Dr. Chakwera was taking power, where is that money? Before tell us, where is that money? Otherwise, you are risking arrest. We want to know, where is our money as Malawians? Number one. Number two, we have spent money paying back the bills they left in health, in education.
Honourable Minister.
They mustn't sit here
Honourable Minister. Honourable Minister, thank you. Thank you, Honourable Member for Blantyre City Southwest. You have the floor.
Yeah. Madam Speaker, I was about to finish my statement, but let me respond. Madam Speaker, the likes of this honorable minister are the ones that have made President Chakwera's name go down in mine. First of all, let me school her, Madam Speaker, that a point of order is 1 minute. She's not an MP. She cannot come in here and tell me what to do. I am in charge. I'm in charge here. And Madam Speaker, politics to please the president have not helped Malawi. They will not help Malawi. As I was concluding.
Member for Blantyre City South.
Yes.
The honorable member and the minister is got the right to respond. She's a cabinet minister, so she can respond on the floor. So she's responding in her capacity as the honorable minister. Please. Thank you.
Madam Speaker, I want you to rule on what she said. She said, I face an arrest. In her statement, you can rewind it. It's unanswered. She said, I face an arrest. I want her to explain what arrest is she talking about and who will she be arresting me as. I want to know. I don't take threats lightly, Madam Speaker. You can go to the Hansard. I want her to explain what wrong I have done to face an arrest coming from the honorable minister. My life is in danger, Madam Speaker. I want her to explain what wrong I have committed by responding to the budget as people of Blantyre City Southeast. I represent, she does not represent a constituency. She represents her maid at home and her kids. She does not represent a constituency. I am talking on behalf of my constituency, and I want her to explain, Madam Speaker, rule on this. She said it live, it's recorded, that I face an arrest. Please, Madam Speaker, I need an explanation. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Blantyre City Southeast, Honorable Minister, the claims by the Honorable Member that you said he is going to be arrested.
If I can be allowed to respond, I know that coming from that side, understanding diction is a challenge. So you want to take me to school? Let me educate you. What I said, and you can replay, I said, this is what the DPP does, and your side faces arrest if you do not explain. And I want to repeat, when people have stolen, they will be arrested. And we shall arrest them unapologetically. If you can't explain where the money went when Dr. Jagera was being sworn in, yes, Malawians are going to arrest you. I was talking about your side because your side is full of thieves, is full of killers, is full of people who don't know what they are doing. And I can give you proof for the money that went missing. Yes.
Honorable Minister, yes, can you have order, please? Honorable Member, Honorable Members and Honorable Minister. Yes, Honorable Minister of Higher Education. I just wanted to confirm you use the word that they are thieves and killers. Yes, well, is that parliamentary, especially the, yes. Sorry? No. Honorable members, I'm talking to the honorable ministers. Please resume your seat. I'm talking to the honorable minister. Yes, but I'm talking to the minister on the same matter. Yes, Honorable Minister of Higher Education. No. Honorable Member, before I've given you the floor, before anybody has raised this issue, I've heard what she has said, so I'm asking to clarify if whether indeed she used the word thieves, because that is not parliamentary. So that's what I wanted to confirm with her.
Okay, let me start by the word killers. During DPP, people with albinism were killed. They can refuse if they want. So, during that time, they were doing it. If they are saying I'm lying, let's go to the records. Since we got into power, those with albinism are very alive. So, if they want me to apologize for giving it a wrong name, let me say there are people whom during their time, people were being killed. So they are an administration that kills the albinos. That's who they are. Let's talk about thieves. These people, during their time, money went missing. and they've not explained to Malawians. The roads they put are not working. And they're coming here to say they'll tell us what to do. No, we are Malawians. We are not going to be lied to. During their administration, people were being killed, people were dying. So you tell me who they are.
Honorable Minister of Higher Education, can I have order, honorable members? Can I have order, honorable members? The Honorable Minister of Education, we always, when we're having debates, if that type of allegation is made, obviously the next question is for us to demand for evidence. If you want to put specific, so what I can demand from you with what you have said is bring us the evidence in my office to substantiate what you are alleging on the other side. Thank you. So, by tomorrow, 5 o'clock, bring them. Thank you. Yes. Honorable member, you want to respond on the same matter again? Blantyre City Southwest, I've already ruled. I don't think we should go back on the same matter. Thank you. Honorable.
Club Junta, building better Africa.
Tatsani malonda anu pa machanelo awa. Makosana with 100 plus subscribers. BS Malawi with 100 plus subscribers. Hot 265 with 90,000 plus subscribers. Sam Mavita with 100 plus subscribers. AMTV Malawi with 50k plus subscribers. Malawi Trends TV with 50k plus subscribers. Dreams Media with 20k plus subscribers. Mpongwe Bongwe with 80k plus subscribers. Club Junta with 40k subscribers. Komanso Umata Daily with 10k plus subscribers. Ndipo mutakulebeza kudzera pa Malawian YouTubers Association Maya. Utenga wanu udzafikira anthu oposaposa 500,000 pa tsiku. Tilumikizeni kudzera pa email iyi officialmaya265@gmail.com.
Club Junta, building better Africa.